Hi, we're about to go to a pizza making lesson, which should be really fun, and I'll show you what happens.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
Huh? Yeah, I didn't do my nails, guys.
Had too much wine, that's amore. Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and you sing Vita Bella.
Oh.
Hearts will play,
Do it.
tippy-tippy-tay, like a gay tarantella.
London will be so fun.
I feel like you really need a wife. You've asked everyone if they need a husband.
Pasta fasul, that's amore.
What?
When you dance down the street with a cloud
That's how you do it.
you're in love.
Woo! So good.
When
I'm still wearing my helmet.
you
I also made pizza, but it's
but you know you're not dreaming, signore. Scusa me, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore.
Okay, we're on the way to Rome, and
so listen to this.
We showed up at the station and our train wasn't listed on the board, so we went and asked someone. Turns out, different station.
Hey now, hey now.
They changed it for us, amen. Really well. So we're gonna go get on it right now. Okay folks, we made it to Rome. We're in Rome. Currently looking at the Vatican, and there are so many people. So many people.
I'm really excited to see all the pretty artwork on the ceiling.
I'm really excited for the history and the art. Hope this is the right line.
Hey now, hey now.
It's really hot.
I'm sweating, but I'm happy to be here.
Make a good vlog. Oh my god, Emily is vlogging. It's a good story for the vlog.
We've had our second mishap of the day. First one was going to the wrong train station. Okay, the third mishap of the day. The first one was going to the wrong train station. Then we went to the wrong place to see the Sistine Chapel. Then we checked our bags at the Sistine Chapel, and we ended up at the place that we first were. So now we have to walk all the way back and get the bags. This is what dreams are made of. Am I right?
Hey now, hey now.
Also, I'm aware that all of these things are our own faults. She got holy water. Is that it? Is that your holy water?
No.
Again, sporting a look right now. It hurts my butt. I almost can't even believe this, but we're at the Colosseum. She's so pretty. So, when I was a kid, I had an Arthur video game, and there was a thing where you had to chase Pal through the Colosseum, and you had to click on the windows that he was in and follow him around. And now it's in real life.
Come belle c'è la luna, brille strette, strette con e butto belle fasteggiare.
So pretty.
Down each avenue or via street or strada, you can see him disappearing.
Okay, we just finished dinner, and this is our view
On
now.
an evening in Roma. Don't know what the country's coming to, but in Rome do as the Romans do. Will you? On an evening in Roma, sotto celle di Roma.
Good morning. Do you hear that? That's the sound of the Trevi Fountain.
Hey now, hey now. This is what dreams are made of. Hey now, hey now. This is what dreams are made of. I've got somewhere I belong. I've got
Bye, I love you. Welcome to a game I like to call Find Megan a Bathroom in Rome. We've already been to seven places, no bathrooms.
Really, really stingy with their bathrooms in Italy.
Alright, we're going to the, nope. Where are we going?
The garden.
Okay guys,
Boboli Gardens.
Okay, we're going to Boboli Gardens. Yeah.
We got it after 700 times of recording this.